Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to start off, we have 4 books, several lines of fabric, so stick with me, it's going to be a longer one, okay? This is a great new book, Elm Creek Quilts put it out. It's 100 sampler blocks. Look at these, oh my gosh. I think they'd be beautiful in any style of fabric. I think it's fun, I kind of want to do it. Caleb, will you make the box with me?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Be our new date night. And then we have a Bittersweet by Kansas Troubles. Got that whole line, of course. We love Lynn and all her designs. It's beautiful. I especially love these little guys. We have them on a few different prints, but they're just this little fun, I don't even know what you call it, a little splash. And then these little diamonds. I think they're just really fun. I don't know, I just really love this. I think this might be one of my favorite lines that she's put out. So we got those 2. Then we're going to move into the kid room. We got some new Star Wars fabric. Got some retro going on for you. So that's fun. It's got these retro colors. You have characters. You have the standard black, black, white, and red. I love this. I think that this would be a good backing. I know it'd be directional, but I just think it'd be a really fun backing. And then look, we even have Chewie. R2-D2, C3PO, 3CPO. Somebody didn't have enough coffee today, people. Okay, so we're going to back out. And we're going to go to the Berry Best by Wilmington. Love this line. It comes with a panel where you could make this placemat. So there are different ones on the... There's like the strawberries, the lemons, all of that. We backed it with that. There's also 10-inch squares in this. So if you don't like winter weather, dream of summer, people, and make something fun. And then we're going to move. We have a new pattern. It's Plaid Farmhouse. It's a table runner and a lap quilt size. I think this would be a fun winter. It wouldn't have to just be Christmas, which is nice because Christmas is really only a short time, and then you have, 4 more months of winter. And then we have, by me and my sister's third time's a charm again. These are using all 5-inch squares. And what's great is they put it in their fabric, and then they had other designers. They made it with other designers. So this is Stacy Sue's Safari Life. This is Catalina by Fig Tree. And so you can see how it could look so different in other fabrics, not just me and my sisters, although of course it looks adorable in theirs. Then we've had red and green, or red and white. We've had blue and white. Now we have red and green quilts, just in time for, this might be a good stocking stuffer. Don't you think? Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I think that's stunning. I think there's some applique on that one. You can do some fun stars in there, the diamond units and the baskets. Maybe they're full of candy. I don't know. Maybe. And then we have one more book for you. This is a Corey Yoder book. It's Checks Mix Quilts. Get the gingham look you love. Yeah, we love gingham. I'll show you this page. I love that gray and white there, and the hearts are super sweet. So that is 8 different patterns in that book. So buy it now while you can. He wants me to talk about this now, even though it feels disjointed. Okay, so if you are not getting the weekly emails with the videos because you're watching this on not your email, but you're watching on Facebook or Instagram or whatever, text Fab Fridays to 22828. You will start getting those emails, and in the link, it'll have the links to all the products that I'm talking about right now, so you can go and snatch them up, people. Okay, and then we have a Bloomin Bunch by Maureen McCormick. She is one of the newest designers at Moda. You will recognize the retro style. Maureen McCormick is the actress who played Marsha on the Brady Bunch, and she's been wanting to design fabric for a long time. She finally did. That's not part of it, but that's a great another line by Bonnie and Camille called Shine On.
Sorry.
And she's been wanting to design fabric for a long time. I think it is wonderful that she is. I think it's a match made in heaven. I'm going this way. See, we have a lot of stuff, guys. Okay, so then this is called Hungry Animal Alphabet. We have some cute tossed animals, or not animals. They're letters, people, I promise. And then look at this. I love this. That just describes me. it's just wonderful. I love it. And then some fun script for you, little sunflowers, some fun borders with the stripes and the ginghams, all sorts of fun stuff. I just really like it. I think it's really sweet. So I think that's all our product for today. We did add the rest of the Shadow Play colors from Maywood. We had most of that line, but we went ahead and filled in all the rest of the colors. It's a great blender. You can always find a color that works for your quilt, I promise, because we often use Shadow Play as blenders in our bundles for our Fresh and Fab, or I'm sorry, not Fresh and Fab, our Fab Stash show on Facebook Live. So really great blenders in there. So that brings me to the Fab Stash show. We will have a live show this Sunday on Facebook, December 6th at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard. It'll be Caleb and I. It'll be our big Christmas palooza. Not palooza. I don't like that word. Our big Christmas party? I don't know. But we might be dressed up, people. So get excited. It's also the show where 50% of the sales will be donated in the name of my mom's best friend, Kathy, to St. Jude's. So shop a lot so that they get a lot. That's the point there, is they're going to be getting 50% of the sales. My mom's best friend passed away just a short while ago, and it was her favorite place to donate. So we are donating in her honor. So if you know other quilters and want to share this with them so that more money goes to St. Jude, please do that. And I think that's all. Happy quilting. See you Sunday. Bye.